Char, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make a DIY of fluffy slime. It is so cool. You can just like break it and like stick it. But there's grass in this one because we like broke it heaps of times. Ready? Listen to this. Ready? You might not be able to hear that.
Yeah, but
anyway,
it sounds cool.
So what you're going to need to make that slime is a mixing bowl, a spoon to mix everything.
Okay.
Some PVA craft glue or any kind of PVA glue. You're going to need some borax. Yep. And if you want, this is an optional like step, but if you want, you can get food coloring.
Any color, it doesn't have to be blue.
Blue.
And also Gillette shaving cream.
And you have to get this
Yes, you have to get Gillette.
if you want it to work.
And also, for the borax, you're going to need warm hot water, which we'll do later because it will just get cold during the video. So, yeah, let's get onto it.
And we are going to be doing the glue, and we're just going to put it in our mixing bowl. We're going to be putting about, it's so tough, literally.
I'll tell you. We actually don't even know really. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, so we put a lot of glue. So we put about that much glue.
So, yes, okay.
So next step is food coloring. So we're going to do 4 drops each. So we're putting a lot of food coloring.
Okay, ready? Oh my god, you had to like dab it.
Wait, you want to get a spoon?
Yeah, okay.
We'll get like a teaspoon.
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
We are
So
back.
we're back and we've got a teaspoon. She's going to do 2 teaspoons and I'll do 2 teaspoons. Only like, yeah, that's okay. Okay, so I'll put,
I think that's
my teaspoon is going to do 1 teaspoon. Oh. So we're just doing 1 teaspoon. And we don't want
Yeah, we did a lot.
what it looks like.
We did so much. Okay, we're just gonna mix it together. Oh my god.
Oh,
that's so
guys, look at this.
Yeah. We put
So
1, 2.
Yeah, we just put 1 teaspoon in and we're just mixing it now.
It like looks so good. Can I mix them?
Yeah, I'm gonna mix them now. So I'll film Charlie while she's mixing it.
put a lot. Too much. We put so much. Like it's so good, but like it's a lot. So yeah, it's like so much. Okay, we'll be back with the video when we are
So we finished mixing and we have to put the spoon. We're just gonna wash it.
Yeah, okay. Now we are going to do the shaving cream.
This is what it turned out. It's like blue. We added some extra glue as well because like then it turned too blue. So Charlie's gonna go first.
I can't open this. Can you open it?
My hands are so wet.
There we go.
Okay, so we're going to, he's just gonna, okay, we are going to,
Look at that.
so, we need one more.
Just shaking it up.
Okay, so, it's Charlie's go.
Okay, now she's gonna put some. This is to make it like so fluffy.
Yeah, do you think?
Yeah, that's enough.
So,
Just a little bit more. We love shaking. Okay, that's enough.
So this is how much we put in. Okay, now, it's kind of weak. It's a lot. So we're gonna mix it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna mix it.
And then we'll put the boards.
We're gonna mix it now. Just for a bit.
So Charlie will get it started.
Get it started.
We might even have, oh no, I think it'll be good.
We might have to add more like. Oh, maybe. I'm not sure.
Now it's gonna turn a lighter blue.
Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to put it in time lapse. Yes.
So I'm gonna put some more in. So I'm gonna put some more in. Just like that much. So we've put about this much more in. I'm just gonna Okay, look what happened. So,
It's in the fridge right now.
Yeah, the other one. But the one that we showed you at the beginning of the video that we'd already made,
We wanted to put glue on it, and it turned out like this. I mean, it's not too bad, but we
You
had.
should have seen my hand.
They were like blue dye, like
Yeah,
it was like
they were
the color of this blue, like literally the color of this blue. But I mean,
And it stained my nails. You should see my hands. They're like green.
my mom had to like wash it off with her like detergent.
With gumption.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna be back in 20 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so this is the one we did earlier. Since it's so blue, it's because we accidentally put so much blue in it, and that's why it got blue on the t-shirt. So probably not gonna come out. And that's the one we did today. It is so cool though, both of them. And they smell weird. This one smells better than that one. That one smells more blue.
I wish you guys could smell this. This one smells like just glue.
So look at the blue difference though. That's why Maddie got so much blue on her hands from this one.
Yeah, because like, oh no, it was from this one. No, it was from that one. It was from this one.
That was the one we did today.
That's the one that we
Look,
added
look.
to.
Today it hasn't even like.
Oh my god, it's like almost like tinting my hands.
Look at my hands right now. It's like all blue because of like this one because we added so much blue to it. But we'll just put it in the fridge.
In real life, my hand's actually quite grainy.
Yeah, but like
It's like looks like a skeleton, but you can't really see.
Yeah, it looks like a skeleton. Okay, so anyway, this is our final result.
Can I feel it?
Wait, let's pop it. Let's see if it pops. Okay, that was the one. That one's so cool. So this is our one. Yeah!